Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the tow vehicle. Grace here is a 2018 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter 6L80 transmission. We're going to be installing the GM updated thermal bypass valve. Should be an easy job. Let's get to work. Alright, we're under the vehicle. This is the front drive shaft. This way is toward the front of the vehicle. You're on the driver's side. I'm going to start by loosening up the lines. I've already pulled them out of the plastic bracket they're in. So let's loosen this up. It should not be that tight. Helps if you get the wrench on the right way. Okay. Take that out. Okay, that's the bolt for the line. This bracket comes with it. Just like that right on the lines. Let's take a 13, take the thermal bypass off. Here's our flex head wrenches. Get yourself a suitable drain pan to catch any fluid that comes down from here. I'm not thinking there's going to be a whole lot. Okay, come on. Here is the 13 that holds this bypass to the trans. Put that aside. Get our bypass out of here. Well, like I said, get yourself a suitable drain pan. Catch any fluid. Alright, get yourself a little screwdriver or pick or something. Let's get this gasket off. We bought a new gasket. I'll include that part number in there. Get that out of there. That's the gasket. This line should pull right out straight. There's one. There's two. There goes your clip for the lines. Let's put that in the pan to drain. Put this all down, clean this up. A little bit of a mess here. Check your O-rings on here. Make sure they're okay. Looks good. Pretty clean here. Here. Alright, get your new updated valve from General Motors. I think I paid about 80 bucks for this valve. Supposed to bring it down to like 150 on the temperature. Currently running at 192, which is not too hot, but you're pulling the camper, it does tend to get a little bit warm. Put your hole down in. Get your hole down in. 10mm back in there. Secure the lines. Alright. We'll tighten that up once we go onto the new gasket is on there. This is a clean surface. Let's put this up. Put this where it goes, and that goes into there. There you go. That looks like that. Grab your 13. Put that in there. Go. That's in there. Grab your 13. Tighten that up. Again, it helps if you have the right way with the wrench. Don't have to kill it. Make it snug. That's all. Done there. Grab 10. Shouldn't move me around there. Crank away. There you go. We'll clean all this area up and we'll run the vehicle, double check our fluid level, and we'll come back under here and we'll look for leaks. Be right back. Alright, vehicle's running. Don't have any leaks here. Looks pretty good. Lines are all secure. Tight. Just have to let it get hot. Double check our transmission fluid, and leak job's complete. Not too bad.
Hi, I'm Rob, and this concludes another Chuck and Rob's Whirlwind Adventures. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. Grace is now ready for her upcoming 2024 camping season, which I've got lots of trips booked for us, including a nice long trip for a week in Maine on the beach. See you on the next one.